Hi, my name is Nina Horn, and this is my homework for remote sensing smart doorbell. So this is the front of my house, and this is my setup. Here's the setup inside. I just have my Pi and camera. It's just attached to the ruler, which is attached to a candle. And this is the view. Alright, so I have my laptop and my VNC viewer. This is my code. Just briefly overview, import all the functions, or all the packages, define my mask function, which I selected these points using the ROI. This is the original. This is the mask. Then obviously resize, blur it, grayscale. Then we run it through, we compare the two images. Then when it detects something or someone, it records a video at the timestamp, writes the images to the file, uploads it to Dropbox, sends an email to the user, and sends a text message. And then for the Dropbox upload, I actually was not able to fully implement this because the Dropbox uploader was not working all the way, but I believe my code is right and my app setup is right. But I just was having a lot of issues that I could not debug by using the Dropbox uploader. So hopefully I have at least done partially enough of it, but it just will not, I don't actually run it. But everything else will run, so let's give it a try. So we're gonna run. So right now I'm not there. So let's see what happens when I go there. Now standing in front of my door. Just gonna stay in here for a bit so that it definitely detects that I am in front of the door. Alright, so now let's look at what happened. We didn't detect anyone. We detected me, record a video, send an email, send a text. Here's the email. Here's me. And we can see the video that it would have uploaded to Dropbox. It's me looking at it. There we go. I did just want to run it one more time, just to make sure it really wasn't detecting something until it saw me, which this was right when I walked outside. And then when I came back in, it did not detect me. Thanks for watching.